Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, this is Meherun. So today I am going to get ready with you all and show you guys like how you guys can look good not only in pictures but also in person. And for me personally, it's really important because I'm a makeup artist. I make people look different with makeup, and I wouldn't say good because everybody looks good with or without makeup. So, and it is your personal choice whether you want to wear makeup or you do not want to wear makeup. So pictures, you can edit them all the time, but in person you cannot really edit them, you know what I mean? So yeah, and this look is really simple and glowy and classy maroon look usual. I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me today. Until next time. Hoping this is a good angle. Hey guys, good morning. So my face is already cleansed and moisturized, so now it's time for sunscreen, of course. So this is the sunscreen that I am going to use today. What I'm gonna do is I will apply it all over my face first. So you should always moisturize your face first and then come back with your sunscreen. That is the order that you should use your sunscreen and your moisturizer. So I think I want to apply a bit of primer as well because outside it's like boiling, and for my primer I'm using this, the Hourglass Veil mineral primer, and I freaking love this primer. Now I will do a bit of color correcting first. So what I have noticed is if you do not want to wear a lot of makeup on your face, if you just want to like target your problematic areas, like for me it's not actually problematic areas, it's like the concerned areas, I should rather say. Your face is your face, your face is not a problem. So you should just color correct first, that way you do not need a lot of concealers or foundations to pile on to hide the imperfections that you have on your face. So now that my face is color corrected, what I will do is, I think I want to wear a little bit of foundation today. For my foundation today, I'm using the Lancome Ultra Wear foundation, and I'm mixing in a little bit of Marc Jacobs Dew drops along with it so that it gives me a beautiful glow, because this foundation does not have any glow in it. It's not a dewy foundation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a very little amount of that foundation and this glowy base, mix this to the back of my hand, and I am going to apply it all over my face with my beauty blender. So while blending in foundation, you should make sure you always blend it to your ears, your neck. That's how you do not have any harsh lines, and that's how it looks really natural looking on your face, and it makes it like less visible for any foundation. It's like almost untraceable. Even this foundation is so good, it's almost untraceable on your face, but this way of applying, this technique of applying foundation makes it look like more skin-like, you know what I mean? I have been loving this concealer for summer lately. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, the weightless complete coverage concealer. This concealer is so light, yet it stays on in extreme hot humid weather it will look like flawless and light, but it will still cover your under eye bags like that. So I am not going to highlight with it today because I want to use as less as possible, but I am not blessed with like no coverage needing skin, so I have to cover a lot of it. I don't have to cover a lot of it. I do not wear makeup to hide all my imperfections. I'm really happy to go out just like that with my bare face, you know what I mean? I mean, this is me, this is how I am. With makeup, without makeup, it really shouldn't make a difference to a person who actually knows me, right? So now that we are done with all the cream products, I will come back with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray and spray it all over my face, so that this way whatever we have put as in the base, it's going to be there intact throughout any hot humid day. And I constantly look at myself. I have to look at the camera. I'm filming it on my phone, guys. I'm sorry, I'm not used to this. So I'm just waiting for this to dry, and then when it's still damp, I'll come back with my beauty blender and push everything in. Sorry, for underneath my eyes I have this loose Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder, microfine powder. So this is what I'm going to use to set underneath my eyes. And for the rest of my face I'm using this Bourjois Healthy Mix powder. So I have to use the powder all over my face because I have concealer almost everywhere on my face. So I need to set all the concealers down. But if you do not have to conceal as much as I do, then you don't need to powder your whole face unless you have like really oily kind of skin. Dewy skin looks the healthiest, trust me. Now for my bronzer slash contour, I'm using this Revolution palette. It's a 3-in-1, and I'm going to be using this shade right here. This highlighter, the Jouer Skinny Dip highlight. It's a gorgeous highlight. It's beautiful. Usual places: cheekbones, top of nose, chin, and I'll bring it a little bit underneath my brows. For blush, I have this MAC Sunbask, I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is gorgeous. It's like muted brown coral glowy blush. It complements our skin type, like medium tan skin type, so well. This is my trick, like to get that glow from within, happy face kind of a thing. So once you're done with your blush, what I do is I run it like almost all across my face so that it looks beautifully meshed with everything else. So now what I want to do is, of course, this is my favorite part apart from highlighting. This is my Hourglass Diffused Bronze Light. So this is a glowy bronzer. So what it does is it just adds that beautiful healthy glow across your cheekbones and I mean on the perimeters of your face. So it looks beautiful. So I apply it with a stippling brush so that it doesn't pick up a lot of products. Look at that. I so love this product. It just makes your whole look complete. It's not shimmery, it's not glittery, but it adds the most beautiful glow onto your face. Now you guys know that my technique for my brows. First, I'm going to use my brow setting gel all across my brows, and then I'm gonna come back with my brow pencil and fill them all in. So for my eyes, I'm doing nothing crazy today. I'm using my Tom Ford Eye Duo. This is the pot. It's in the shade, what's the shade name? Naked Bronze. I'm applying it with this Morphe 513 brush, and the texture is so smooth. You know, that texture when you keep your butter on your kitchen top rather than in the refrigerator. So it's just that perfect level of soft, smooth, easy to spread. Exactly, that is what it is. And I'm messily putting it all across my eyes and bringing it up to the crease and blend it there. Take it underneath our eyes. So I am all about this quick, easy tips that makes you look like instantly ready and awake and set for the day. All right. So for my waterline, I'm using this Urban Decay Smog 24/7 liner. So now I am going to take my Urban Decay original palette, and from this palette, I'm going to take this color, Smog, on a pencil brush, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. This creates the most like very little bit droopy, sexy kind of eyes. And without having to put any kind of effort for it. And in the inner corner, I'm going to use this shade, Half Baked. I am the messiest mascara person ever. See? Now I have just put it on my hair. So if you have like mascara smudges around your eyes, the trick is to let it dry first, let it be there for some time, and when it's dry, just take a Q-tip and it will come off very easily. So all I've done is I've taken a dark brown pencil and apply it to tide my upper waterline and a little bit in the corners of my lower lash line, just to give it a little bit more depth. So first I'm lining my lips with the MAC Soar lip pencil. You should line your lips actually, because it makes your lipstick quite long lasting and it defines your lips so beautifully. And then I'm going to use this lipstick. This used to be my really favorite once this got launched. These are the Revlon Color Burst Matte Balm. This is in the shade 225. It's like that just bitten, beautiful, fresh kind of color. Oh my god, that is the worst description of a lipstick I've ever given. First I'm going to blot this like so, and then on top I'm going to come back with this Rimmel Trendsetter number 700. I think these are the only one lipsticks from Rimmel. And we are done. no, we are not done. We have to set everything in place. For that, I am using my Morphe spray. So this is the finished look, you guys. Like, this makeup looks snatched in person. Like, of course, people who you come by will be able to tell that you are wearing makeup, but they will not be able to distinguish it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed spending time with me today. Until next time.